Hey there guys, I want to make a video of the American Series 570 padlock. And this is the key for it. I got this from EJ Lock Picks a month or so ago. It didn't come with a key, so I picked it open and rekeyed it. And use top the keyway. We'll be using one of my homebrew picks. The lock has serrated spools in it. One standard pin, I think. Three. Two. Bring the right tension. That's number 4. Let's see what default set we have here. Pin 4. And I lost my faucet. Got it back. A1 set. Feels like that was number 4. Okay. And my tension wrench wants to slip off the top of the keyway here. I can lock it back. Okay. And the birds are singing to me. Okay, take the clip off of it. It didn't have a C-clip on it. It had like a little pin. I don't know if you can see that. Where's that at? It had a little pin in here that held it together. So I kind of took it out. And I'll be using one of Jeff Moss's plug followers, the brass. Thanks again, Jeff. I do appreciate it. Okay. All 5 pins are there. There's a serrated pin, standard, serrated. Get my okay. Get my other tweezers. These are better. Okay. Serrated spool. See that? Probably not. Stupid camera. Another serrated spool. serrated pin. Another spool. And another spool. And the camera don't want to cooperate with me here. Anyway, thanks EJ Lock Picks for the lock, and Jeff Moss. I was going to show you the plug followers. I bought these from Jeff Moss. Thanks again, Jeff Moss. You guys have a good one.